Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together where we are going to tackle one of the most asked questions about making money on TikTok. Buckle up because we've got some exciting insights coming your way. Alright, let's kick things off with question number one. How many followers do you actually need to start making money on TikTok? Well, let's get right into it. According to InfluenceMarketingHub.com, the earnings vary depending on your influence level. Nano influencers, $5 to $25 per post. Micro influencers, $25 to $125 per post. Mid-tier influencers, $125 to $1,250 per post. Macro influencers, $1,250 to $2,500 per post. Mega influencers, $2,500 plus per post. Getting followers on TikTok has opened so many doors for influencers, from reality TV opportunities to brand partnerships. Some partnerships even earn up to $2,000 for a 60-second video. There's tremendous potential here. Now, let's dive into question number two. How much do influencers and brands actually make on TikTok? Well, there's no one-size-fits-all answer, but let's explore some examples. Imagine you are a small business making one video a day, generating two $50 sales daily. That is $36,000 a year. On the higher end, Charlie D'Amelio rakes in $40,000 to $60,000 per post. Whoa! I had to pick my jaw off the floor when I heard that. It is a mix of inspiring and mind-boggling. Moving on to question number three. How much money can you actually make on TikTok? Let us talk realistic numbers. If you're using the Creator Fund, you can earn about 2 to 4 cents per 1,000 views. So, if your video hits 500,000 views, which is impressive, you are looking at about $20. The Creator Fund is TikTok's way of helping creators earn money based on their videos' performance. To join, you will need to meet specific requirements, like being in certain countries, being 18 or older, having 10,000 followers, and getting over 100,000 video views in the past 30 days. But don't limit yourself to the Creator Fund. Let us explore other ways to make money on TikTok. First up, businesses can sell products and services. No matter what you are offering, TikTok can help you promote your business even if you are just starting. TikTok has been a game changer for business owners. Some started as a high school project and grew into a successful clothing brand. Within weeks, they made $20 and sold out of our products. You can build your business on TikTok. Another way, if you are an influencer, you can sell merchandise to your fans. Printing your catchphrases on hoodies is a smart move to make money while spreading your brand. Next up, you can go live and collect virtual gifts from your audience. Live gifting is powerful. Choose a time when most of your followers are online. Stay on longer to catch more viewers, and remind them to send gifts in your unique style. Wrapping up, you can create in-feed ads with the TikTok Ads Manager. These ads seamlessly integrate with Shopify, allowing you to reach a broader audience and track your ads' performance. There you have it, guys. Answers to your burning questions about making money on TikTok. From follower counts, TikTok's Creator Fund, and various money-making strategies, TikTok offers exciting opportunities for creators and businesses alike. But guess what? This is just the beginning. In our upcoming video, I'm going to deep dive into the art of growing on TikTok and forming lucrative partnerships with brands. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this one. So, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because I'll be dropping golden nuggets of wisdom that you won't want to miss. And hey, I'm here for you. If you've got burning questions or if there's anything else you'd like to know, just drop a comment below. Your feedback and inquiries are what keep this community thriving. Thank you for spending your valuable time with me today. I cannot wait to catch you all in the next video, where we will take another exciting steps unlocking the full potential of TikTok. Thank you for joining us today. and we will see you in our next video.